Hello and welcome to my channel Simple Science. Today we are going to do a simple experiment. The experiment is to determine the focal length of a convex lens. So aim of the experiment is to determine the focal length of the given convex lens. Now what are the materials required for this? Materials required are a convex lens, a screen, white screen, a ruler and a distant object like a candle or tree or a building. Now you all know that when the object is a distant object or at infinity, the parallel beam of light comes from that object, and after refraction through the lens it meet at focus, or it converges, the beam of light converges at a point on the principal axis, and this point is called focus of the convex lens, and the distance between the lens and the focus is called the focal length, which we are going to determine in this experiment. So for that we need a convex lens. Now we are going to take three observations. We will draw an observation table. We will take three observations. We will find the position of the lens, this position of the lens, then position of the screen, and the distance between the lens and the screen, this difference will be the focal length of the given convex lens. And then we will take the average of all the three readings and we will find the result. So let us start. So these are the materials required for our experiment: a candle, a convex lens. Focal length of this convex lens is 10 centimeter. A lens holder and a white screen on which we'll see the image. Now we are going to place this candle at a distance, at a greater distance, much beyond the center of curvature or much beyond 2f1, and we will obtain the image of this candle which will be formed at focus. So our setup is ready. This is the convex lens and this is the screen. This is the object candle which is much beyond the center of curvature or at a distance. Now we will adjust the position of the lens or the screen to get a clear image. Now I will adjust the lens. No, it's a blur image. Now also it is a blur image. Now I will place it where the image is clear. Clear inverted image of the candle should be obtained there. Now it is perfect. Now I'll switch on the light. Now we'll see what is the distance between the screen and the lens. So you can see that the position of the screen is here 5 centimeter and the position of the lens is at 5 centimeter and position of the screen is 14.5, 15 centimeter. So I have written the values: position of the lens 5 centimeter, position of the screen 15 centimeter, so focal length is 10 centimeter in first case. Now I have changed the position of the lens and accordingly I have adjusted the position of the screen to get a clear image. So now you can see that the position of the lens is 10 centimeter, that was 4 inch. It is 10 centimeter as you can see here, and position of the screen is 20 centimeter, where the clear image of the candle, inverted image of the candle is formed. Now I have written these values also: position of the lens 10 centimeter, screen is at 20 centimeter and the focal length is 10 centimeter. Now in third case I have taken the position of the screen as 28 centimeter and I will adjust the position of the lens so that we get a clear image. So let me adjust the position of the lens. Can you see the clear image, clear inverted image of the candle on the screen? Now let us check what is the position of the lens. So lens is at approximately 18 centimeter and position of the screen is at 28 centimeter. So this is how we have performed the experiment. I will write these values also in the observation table. So now I have written the values, these values also, and I have taken the average of all the three readings, which comes to 10 centimeter. So the result is the focal length of the given convex lens is 10 centimeter. So this is all about today's experiment to determine the focal length of the given convex lens. Now I have made one more video to show the focal length of the same given convex lens by taking a building. So you can check that also. The link will be provided in the description box, or it will also be available on the screen. So thank you for watching. Hope you have understood the experiment.